Welcome to JavaScript and Node.js for IoT. In this video, we are going to explore how the language of the web is powering the next generation of connected devices. We will look at how to build applications that span from tiny sensors all the way to cloud servers. First, let us define the Internet of Things, or IoT. Simply put, it is a network of physical objects embedded with sensors and software that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. This includes everything from your smart watch to industrial factory equipment. You might be wondering, why use JavaScript for hardware? 3 main reasons. 1. It is event-driven by nature, which is perfect for handling sensor data. 2. It has a massive ecosystem via NPM. And 3. It allows you to be a full-stack developer, using the same language on the device and the server. JavaScript runs on many popular platforms. The Raspberry Pi can run a full Node.js environment. Microcontrollers like Arduino can be controlled via the Fermata protocol, and boards like the ESP8266 have native JavaScript firmware options. Frameworks like Johnny5 make this incredibly easy. In the world of IoT, communication is key. While web developers are used to HTTP, IoT often uses MQTT. It is a lightweight publish-subscribe protocol designed for low bandwidth and unstable networks, making it far superior for connecting thousands of sensors. Here is a classic Hello World example using the Johnny5 library. We import the board and LED classes. Once the board is ready, we simply create a new LED instance on pin 13 and tell it to blink every 500 milliseconds. It is readable and simple. On the server side, Node.js acts as the traffic controller. In this architecture, a device publishes temperature data. The Node.js Server receives it via MQTT, parses the JSON, saves it to a database, and immediately pushes an update to a live dashboard using WebSockets. Visualizing that data is where JavaScript shines. Using libraries like Socket.io, we can build real-time dashboards that update instantly without refreshing the page. This is essential for monitoring critical systems like temperature or pressure in real time. Security is critical in IoT. You must ensure your data is encrypted using TLS or SSL. Always use strong authentication methods like API keys or certificates. And please, never leave default passwords on your devices, as this is the most common vulnerability. There are endless possibilities. You could build an automated garden that waters itself when the soil is dry. You could create a personal weather station. Or you could build a custom smart home hub to control your lights and appliances from a web interface. To wrap up, JavaScript is a powerful tool for IoT development. It offers a unified development experience from the hardware edge to the cloud server. If you are ready to start, install Node.js and grab a microcontroller. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.